Oh, yep, we're live. Trying to get out here. Oh, there we are. This is Mike from Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in, so far, a sunny day in Sharpsburg, Georgia. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Oh, hey, man, I got two projects here. Getting ready, hopefully, to finish this one up. I've been working on for quite a few days. Long story. I'm going to do a video on that when I get done with the before photos. It's kind of complicated what I'm doing to that one. Very tedious, very painstaking. But it's a project I've worked on before. And part of it was trying to fix what I suspect may have been either a defective product or the customer's letting it get wet too quickly, maybe would do, or something like that, and it didn't set up right. Anyway, we'll go into that later. But this one just arrived today. I don't normally let two projects come at one time, but I found this one kind of intriguing. 2012 Nissan Versa, I believe it is. It has a multitude of problems. Oh boy. You can see from back here that down the sides don't look too bad. Oh boy. Got to do a headlight restoration. Oh boy. I'm not sure how much that's going to come out, but the big problem is, as some of you might plainly see, I'm not sure what you guys are seeing because of the sunlight out here. You know, this doesn't look too terribly bad until you get close up, but there's a lot of micro marring in that paint. But then you move on to these horizontal surfaces, man. I think my driveway concrete has more shine to it than this hood does. Ooh-wee. Look at that, would you? Hopefully I'll be able to improve that a great deal, but that is very close to complete clear coat failure. But I'll see what I can do with it. She only wants me to attack the headlights and these horizontal surfaces. That's the budget. But as you can see, it's damaged some up here. Here. Look at that roof, folks. It's just like the hood. Man, oh man. Somebody's watching. Yeah, I was saying a few minutes ago, if I can get that looking better, and I will get it better, but if I can bring it close to this, that would truly be some magic. It's going to be a multi-step process. And you can see all down through here is damaged as well. The tops of the doors, same kind of stuff. Some of that's just what they call oxidation. You can see it start cloudy up there. Starts getting cloudy here. Then we move back to the trunk. Holy cow. Ooh, wee. Look at that, and look at that. Holy mackerel. Goodness gracious. Ooh, hey, the taillights don't look too bad. Same kind of a deal over here. Look at all that. And folks, this car, as I understand it, lives outside. So, and it's parked under a tree a lot of times. So a lot of this, or some of this, is due to that fact. But I'm also told that it has been through the automatic car wash many times. And folks, I suspect very strongly that the vast majority of this is due to that, for a multitude of reasons, which I won't go into right now. But if you're interested in knowing those, let me know, and I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. The pillar posts, terrible shape. I may take a run at those. Oh boy. It should be interesting to see how good I can make this turn out. Holy cow. Oh man. Alright folks, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Y'all like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, all that stuff. And be sure to tune in so you can catch the future updates on this vehicle. I'm going to start by strip washing it chemical decon, mechanical decon, which is Iron X and then clay bar, and I'll be using an aggressive grade of clay bar here, I'm telling you that. And then probably some wet sanding, compounding, some polishing. But after she's strip washed, I will be able to get a much better idea of what we're dealing with in deconned, because then I will be able to truly see exactly what shape this paint is in. It's kind of hard to tell now because it's so filthy, so many contaminants on it, such a film on it, it's almost impossible to really tell. But we shall see. We shall see. And some of these other scratches, like right down here, I don't know if y'all can see that. I may hit a couple of those just for fun, time permitting, just to see what I can do. Like I say, I gotta restore the headlights, which are a pretty bad situation. That could also be a combination of they get sandblasted going down the road, and also they get severely damaged by those automatic car washes, folks. Keep your car out of those if you're going to keep it longer than a couple of years. Boy, oh boy. Anyway, thank y'all for dropping by. Appreciate you. I'm going to get to work now. Goodbye now.